the practice that we do here as a community is do voice meditation. And the voice meditation is we all have a chance to kind of come together and we sing this in a meditative way. It's basically Om Mani Padme Hum. And we also practice mindfulness, and we incorporate the practices of Shin into our daily lives.
What I really love about the Buddhist Faith Fellowship is it's a perfect blend between introspection or self-practice and communion, together practice. It's like we're all in this together, and being in this together, it's easier to practice meditation and voice meditation. And then there's typically a Dharma talk where we're free to express ourselves and really consider how this applies in our daily life.
Yeah, this has been a really important part of our lives, and we just love the way that Glenn, who runs this facility, is always he's very compassionate, very cares about our needs, and I feel very comfortable with all the people that attend.